Oh, look at there in the corner.
This is Charleston, downtown Charleston. We just got here. Don't even know exactly where we're at. Looks like it's mainly an area you want to walk around. Time to walk across the streets. I smell some good food. Where do you want to go to? At the St. Hotel. Whoa, look at that. I like these streets. I like this street here. With a nice brick. That one smells like barbecue or something back there.
Yeah.
It smells good.
It's all restaurant.
Pizzeria. Ooh. Like the palm trees. That one smells good. Hogan Smokehouse. It smells good. You want your picture next to the pig? Of course she does. Sorry. There you go. Now kiss the pig.
No way.
The gin joint.
Look at this style.
And I heard the gin joint's kind of a fancy place. I like these cobblestones. Makes it look old. And now it's starting to rain. But we found, I guess we just got ourselves set up right next to, maybe this is Rainbow Row? I don't know. Don't know if it is or not. I don't think it is actually, but it's still pretty. Let's zoom out a little bit. So this is a walking tour of downtown Charleston. Oh, yeah. I like all the buildings. The East Bay Meeting House. Coffee house and craft beer. Interesting.
First city center.
The French Quarter. So this, according to the sign, we are officially in the French Quarter. There's another cobblestone street. I don't know what that building is there, but it looks pretty cool. Looks like it's under construction right now. So they must be remodeling the inside of it.
Hello. Oh, look at there in the corner.
Charleston was one of the largest slave trading cities in the U.S. in the 1800s. The area around the old Exchange Building was one of the most common sites for downtown slave auctions. And it was early the 1700s. So that must be in this area here. So the old Exchange and Provost Dungeon, South Carolina's most historic building, circa 1771. Right here in the corner of this street. So I think this building here, if I remember correctly, was the last British building built, I think, in the area, if not even the entire Americas. Before the Revolutionary War. Built in 1771. Exchange Street. This is a cool looking building here. This little bar. This bar is as old as Charleston. From the early seaport days through pirate attacks, revolution, civil wars, earthquakes, and hurricanes. survived. Going to stand as a living example. Now it's really raining.
Yeah, it rained.
I think it's going to pass us pretty quickly, though.
Yeah. It's not that dark anymore.
Yeah. Looking down the street, look at that. This is a pretty cool street town to walk around, isn't it? A lot of history here. If we could just understand it better. I like the architecture.
It's going to be raining again.
Yeah, now it's starting to rain a little bit more again.
Commercial, like, it's not real estate, lawyer, gallery.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's a bank. South State Bank. Blind Tiger.
That's very nice.
Wow, these houses are really pretty. These are cool looking houses. This is the Hayward, Washington house. It's kind of a quieter street.
Because this is the residential.
Yep.
This is the,
Wow, look at this garden over here.
yeah, that's the one that you have to have tour.
Oh, that's pretty cool. And this house was built around 1732. And those others, about 1760. Pretty old. So that rock here, they used to, so that's what you had to help you step up on your horse.
Okay.
That's why I had to step on it. So this house here was built in 1751. The Branford Horry House. It's beautiful. Look at all the moss on these trees here.
Oh, this is the Walter or Wheeling Social Center.
I don't know what that is, but it's a courthouse. It's like a newer courthouse. Look at this church here. That's a beautiful church here, though. And we get to hide here from the rain for a minute. Looks like the clouds are breaking up over there, though. Wow, look at that. It's a cool park. Now we get to see the other side of the street. Since that's the side we walked on before. So, having fun. It's kind of rainy, but enjoying walking around. This is, you can definitely tell this is a place that you need to spend some time with. We've only had maybe an hour or so just walking around, and not enough really knowledge about what we're looking for, what we're looking at. But still fun to walk around, just look at the architecture, and hope to get to spend some more time here. But right now, really enjoying it, even though it's wet. This afternoon, we're going to try to come eat at Fleet Landing. We got some good recommendations from my niece who used to live in the area. She said this is a great place to eat, and sometimes you can see dolphins swimming out in the bay behind the restaurant there. So we're going to give it a shot. They said that their reservations were all packed for today. So we're going to see if we can wait to get in to be seated. All right, I spent about $3 to add an extra hour and a half to the meter. You having fun there, honey?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We made it into Fleet Landing just by the skin of our teeth, because Annalisa came and got a spot at the bar for us. Like that. And you can see the water behind us and other patrons. So we're sitting outside. Calamari.
You want to put the lemon juice on it?
Yeah, we'll put some lemon juice on them. This is Mom's shrimp platter. Looks delicious.
Look like your pasta
This is
really
my
good.
salmon. Got a huge chunk of salmon. Just kidding. But at least it's salmon. It's about what I expected, actually. I'm sure it tastes good. Flounder platter. Looks good. Quick view from inside. Fleet Landing. Yep. We found the waterfront park. There are pineapple fountains down there. It's kind of a cool looking park. Right on the, I guess it's the bay front, not ocean front. You see the bay out there, the boats. There's the famous pineapple fountain. Waterfront park, got trees, park, fountain, more trees. This park is looking straight down the streets. Look at that. Historic Charleston. So this is, I think we're on Battery Street. We gotta wait for people turning around. It's out-of-state tourists. Look at this, wow, that's a beautiful building on the left we just passed. And you got all these nice houses on the right.
So we did make it down the Battery.
We did now. We have the
Working on that.
ocean front or bay front on the left. All these nice, beautiful houses on the right. It's New Year's Eve and 74 degrees. Not going to complain about that. One of these houses is where I guess one of the generals sat and watched as they were attacking Fort Sumter. He sat out in the balcony and watched as the Confederates started their attack on Fort Sumter. I don't know which house it was, but might have been that one right there we just passed. This is Battery Park on the right. Look at that.
Oh, look at this. Oh.
Look at this park.
You can park in here, perhaps.
This park is pretty.
All
We
these.
might have to park and walk around here. Whoa, kind of a bumpy road.
That's nice. Oh, look at all the trees down there.
I like all the palm trees.
Look at all these decorated.
All the cannons, mortars.
Yeah. There's gonna be gazebo there. But it's okay.
And all these palm trees. Ooh, I could park there.
Right there.
Down on the Battery. Sunset. Just driving around New Year's Eve. Admiring all the nice houses.
This traffic does not stop.
Except it's a one-way street, looks like.
Rutledge.
I wonder how old these houses are.